Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Open grade 7 English book. Today we will read unit number 20, The Master Thief, page number 131. Page number 131 and first paragraph is Tottering steps to the Count's castle. It was already dark when he arrived. He sat down in the courtyard on a stone, started coughing badly, and rubbed his hands as though they were freezing. Outside the stable door, some soldiers were sitting around a fire. One of them noticed the old woman and called out to her, "Come, Granny, and warm your hands with us over here. You have now here to stay the night and will have to take shelter wherever you find it." The old woman tottered up to them and sat down by them at the fire. The words meaning of this paragraph is tottering, totna, dark, andhera, arrived, पहुंचा, rubbed, रगड़ा, कफिंग, खांसना, बैडली, बुरी तरह से, कोर्टयार्ड, सहन, शेल्टर, पनाह मांगना. In this paragraph, they are saying that the master thief was very cunning person and he wants to trap soldier. That's why he goes to the count's stable to steal his favorite horse. In first paragraph, they are saying that he just tried to get up with an old lady and he hold a kettle in his hand and went to the soldiers. He tried to trap them and wants to take Count favorite horse from the stable. Come to the next paragraph. "What have you got in that kettle, old lady?" asked one of the soldiers. "Hot tea," she answered. "I make my living from it for money and kind words. I'll be glad to give you a cup." "Just pour it over here, then," said the soldier. And when he tasted the tea, he said, "When tea is good, I don't mind another cup," and he had another poured for himself. And the others followed him. "Hello, comrades," shouted one of them to those who were sitting in the stable. "Here is an old woman. She has tea. Take a cup of tea. It will warm your stomach better than that fire of ours." In this paragraph, they are saying that the old woman gave them tea, the tea which have sleeping pills, and she wants that every soldier have to take a single cup of tea and they will sleep down, and then I will take the horse easily. The difficult words meanings are kettle, केतली, glad, खुश हुए, poured, उंडेलना, comrades, साथियों, stomach, मैदा. Come to the next paragraph. The old woman carried the kettle into the stable. One soldier held the bridle, another had seized the tail of the count's favorite horse. She poured out as much as was demanded till the kettle was empty. Before long, the bridle dropped out of the hand of the one holding it. He himself fell down and began to snore. The other, who held the tail, let go of it, lay down and snore even louder. Outside, the soldiers had fallen asleep long before, lay on the ground and were as motionless as stone. The difficult words meaning of this paragraph were motionless, बगैर हरकत के, stones, पत्थर, dropped, गिर गए, favorite, पसंदीदा, demanded, जितनी चाहे, जितनी तलब हो. In this paragraph, they are saying the old lady gave them tea and they take the cups of tea, and after taking tea, they just lay down on ground without any motion. They all were motionless. Okay, start page number 132. First paragraph of page number 132 is, when the master thief saw that he had succeeded, he put a rope instead of the bridle in the hand of the one and a wisp of straw into the hand of the one who was holding the tail. He soon had the horse unfastened from the chain, but had he ridden over the cobblestones, the noise would have been heard in the castle, so he first wrapped the horse hoofs in old rags, let it out carefully, swung himself up and rode up. In this paragraph, they are saying that when all soldiers were faint and lay down on the ground, he unfastened the horse and tried to take it out from the castle, from the stable. The difficult words meanings are instead, की बजाय, ridden, सवार होना, wrapped, लपेटा, rode off, सवार हुआ, swung himself, खुद झूम जाना, carefully, एहतियात से, led it, क़यादत की, ओल्ड रैग्स, पुराने चीथड़े यानी पुराने कपड़े, हॉर्स हूव्स, घोड़े की खुर. These are the, and unfasten means खोलना. These are the difficult words meaning of this paragraph. Come to the next paragraph. At the crack of the dawn, the master thief galloped on the stolen steed to the castle. The count had just risen and was looking out of the window. "Good morning, your grace," he called out to him. "Here is your favorite horse I was lucky enough to take from your stable. Just see how nicely your soldiers are laying asleep, and if you care to go into stable, you will see how comfortable your guardmen have made themselves." In this paragraph, they are saying that the master thief, after attempting, went to the grace and tell him that their guards are sleeping very peacefully in the stable, and he took his horse. In this paragraph, he tried to prove that he is a master thief, and he did the given task very well. Come to the next paragraph. The count could not help laughing, but he said, "Theft is a trait which spoils person and destroys nation. Theft is not a heroic act. Heroes are those who earn their living by hard work." "You are cursed." The count had to admit that he was a clever, cunning thief. "You are an arch thief and have won your case. This time you shall get off with a whole skin. But take care you disappear from my country, for if you ever set foot in it again, then you can count on your place on the gallows." The arch thief said goodbye to the count and his parents, went once more into the wide world, and was never heard of again. In the last paragraph, they are saying that Count was not happy by his act, and he said that this is not heroic act. Actually, heroes are those who earn their living by hard work, and whatever he did, but the theft is a trait which spoils persons and destroys the nation. He was not happy, and he said that, "Leave my country, and if you put your steps again in my country, it will place you on gallows." So once again the master thief said goodbye to Count and his parents, and he went far away from their country, and his parents again gave to the wide world alone, and they never heard about their son again. The difficult word meanings are trait, खासियत, spoils, खराब करना, डिस्ट्रॉय तबाह करना, एडमिट मानना या तस्लीम करना, कर्स्ड मलून, कनिंग चालाक, वाइड वर्ल्ड वसी दुनिया, आर्च थीफ छाप होर छाप चोर. Thank you so much for this. Do reading of this page again and again. Learn difficult words meaning and write it on your rough notebook and send us on our given WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.